guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi but internet is not working and you will see no internet connection message. Then this video will help you to fix the problem step by step. So this is very common issue on iPhone where iPhone shows connected to a Wi-Fi but website or internet won't work on your iPhone. App stop loading and the internet access completely stop. So let's fix it out step by step. First open iPhone settings, go to Wi-Fi and then turn off your Wi-Fi. Wait at least 10 seconds, then turn it back on and reconnect your Wi-Fi network. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary connection glitch. Now it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Simply turn the router off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Now reconnect Wi-Fi to your iPhone. Sometimes the router internet itself stop working even though Wi-Fi stay connected. Also you need to check your internet pack. If the internet pack was expired, you need to recharge your internet pack. This is also very important. In case the internet pack is still active afterwards you're facing the issue, now you can try the next method. Now you need to forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi network. Open the Wi-Fi network page and here you can get the option forget this network. Tap on it and forget this and reconnect it by entering your Wi-Fi password. In your iPhone, if you are using any VPN, you need to disconnect it. In your iPhone settings, you need to search VPN. If the VPN is connected, you need to disconnect it. Also you need to check your iPhone date and time setting. If the date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct this. Open journal, go to date and time setting and correct your date and time settings. Also you need to disable private Wi-Fi address. To do this guys, open your Wi-Fi settings, once again scroll down and here you can get the option private Wi-Fi address. You need to disable it. Okay, from here you need to turn off this. Now forget your Wi-Fi network once again and then connect it back by entering your password. After doing this guys, it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Now you need to reset your network settings on your iPhone. Open the journal, scroll down at the end, here you can get the option transfer or reset iPhone. Open it, tap on reset and here you need to select reset network settings. Reset your network settings. After doing this guys, open your iPhone settings once again, go to software update and update your iPhone. It will definitely 100% fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple method solution to fix this issue. So that's for today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.